Hello and welcome to part 17 of this Tableau Made Easy series. Last time we started formatting our dashboard components towards this white on black color scheme that we see on screen. We altered our map, we got our tables to fit their allocated spaces, and we formatted their colors and attributes accordingly too. And it is starting to really look amazing. So let's keep moving, and the next component we want to tackle is our triple chart down at the bottom there. So to start with, let's right click on the chart and then format. And then over on the left, we are again presented with our formatting options. Let's make sure that we are in the font tab up at the top, and we are. And then under default here, let's go into worksheet and let's change this to be white. Let's then head over to the shading tab, so the little paint can. And then again, under the default heading, let's go into worksheet and change this to be black. Awesome, that looks pretty nice. And now it fits in with the rest of what we have created. Now, of course, it is all subjective, but I would argue that while this plot does now fit in with our overall theme, it does appear to be quite busy with all of the bars, the labels showing each value, the vertical grid lines, etc., etc. So let's just try something and see if we like it. Let's go over to the grid lines tab at the top here. And then down under row divider, let's go into pane and let's click none. And then under column divider, let's do the same thing. So let's go into pane and then again, let's click none. So that has removed the top and bottom horizontal lines from our charts. Back up at the top of our formatting options, let's click on the lines tab here on the right hand side of the grid lines tab. And up the top where it says grid lines here, even though it says none, if we click into there, and we again select none, those vertical grid lines have been removed now too. And for me at least, I quite like this more minimal look, but I'll leave it up to you to play around with yours and get it looking the way that you want. For me, next I might look at changing the bar colors. So if we head back to the location triple worksheet, and then if we just make sure that we are in the All tab of our marks card, so this will mean that we can control the options for all three of our charts at once. If we click into the color button here, let's have a go at changing the color from orange to this third gray here. So the same one that we used earlier for our map. And then if we go back to our dashboard, awesome, I really like this, but again, maybe you don't. And in that case, please do make this your own. But generally speaking, I think this is starting to look extremely cool. So let's leave it there for now. And then in the next video, let's take on the last few bits of polish and finish this dashboard off for our client. As always, please make sure that you save your dashboard. So File, Save to Tableau Public, and then let's finish this all off in the next video, the final part of this series. This has been such an amazing journey. I am so excited to see it through to the end. So I will see you there.